Welcome to Mighty Spriggle's channel. Let us dive deep beneath the waves in a world of crushing pressure and eternal twilight, where we meet a being that seems spun from science fiction. The octopus is so profoundly different, it's like meeting an intelligent alien on our own planet, lacking a single bone. Its form is fluid, a creature of pure muscle and mind, capable of pouring itself through an opening no larger than its own eye. It challenges our definition of intelligence, a soft-bodied marvel that has mastered camouflage and problem-solving. Its skin is a living canvas, communicating through rapid flashes of color and texture, allowing it to disappear completely into its surroundings. Octopuses live in every ocean, from tide pools to the deep sea, from tropical reefs to polar waters. Most species favor coasts, coral reefs, kelp forests, and seagrass beds, and they hide in rocky crevices or shell-built dens on sandy or muddy seafloors. An octopus signals its mood, intentions, and warnings with a vocabulary written on its own body. To observe one is to witness a silent, beautiful dialogue with its environment. Their intelligence also resides in a curious and often playful nature. They've been observed solving complex puzzles, and even unscrewing jar lids from the inside. An octopus has 9 brains, 1 central brain plus 8 arm brains, making fast local decisions, so each arm can explore, taste, and grasp semi-independently. Here's how that works in practice. The central brain, a ring around the esophagus, handles vision, learning, memory, and goals. It decides what matters, food, threat, or mate, and coordinates the body's overall plan, vetoing risky movements when needed. Each arm contains a large local ganglion that runs the arm's muscles and hundreds of suckers. Suckers can taste and feel, letting an arm probe crevices, pass objects between suckers, and even perform reflex grasps without waiting for instructions, while the central brain guides direction and stops unsafe actions. Arms share information through the nervous system. Waves of activity help them avoid tangling, divide tasks, and coordinate grips on shells or jars. This blend of local control and central oversight is why octopus problem-solving looks so fluid and intelligent. They also have 3 hearts. 2 branchial hearts pump blood through the gills, while a larger systemic heart drives oxygen-rich blood to the rest of the body. During active swimming, the systemic heart's output drops, so octopuses tire quickly and prefer crawling across the seafloor. They seem to possess distinct personalities. Some are shy and retiring, while others are bold and mischievous, known for squirting water at unsuspecting observers. This capacity for learning, memory, and what appears to be conscious thought suggests that complex intelligence has evolved along a very different path from our own. The octopus life cycle begins with an act of ultimate sacrifice. A mother lays thousands of eggs in a secluded den, which she guards tirelessly without eating. She cleans them and provides oxygen until they hatch, a vigil that ultimately consumes her. The tiny hatchlings drift into the open ocean as plankton. This is the most perilous stage. Only a fraction survive. Those that do grow rapidly, descending to the seafloor to establish a den. From this safe haven, the young octopus emerges as a solitary, formidable predator. It's an ingenious hunter, stalking prey, prying open shells with incredible strength, and using its sharp beak to deliver a disabling bite. With taste receptors on its arms, it can even explore crevices, tasting what it cannot see. The octopus has long been seen as the ultimate loner, a solitary, territorial creature. encounters with its own kind are often aggressive, sometimes even cannibalistic. But our understanding is being rewritten. In unique sites nicknamed Octopus and Octalantis, scientists have found dense communities of gloomy octopuses. Here they live in close proximity, building dens and interacting in surprisingly complex ways. They communicate through posture and dramatic color changes, signaling everything from aggression to courtship. They even engage in disputes, throwing debris at one another. It's a reluctant community, revealing a social landscape far more complex than their solitary reputation suggests. The octopus is far more than a solitary hunter. It is a keystone species, a crucial engineer that actively shapes its marine environment. As a predator, it controls populations of crabs and clams, preventing overgrazing and maintaining the reef's delicate balance. Its hunting activities also stir the seafloor, unearthing food for smaller fish that follow in its wake. Even the empty shells from its meals create new homes for other creatures. But the octopus is also prey, a vital link in the food chain for seals, dolphins, and sharks. From its first breath to its last, its life and death are woven into the fabric of the ocean, enriching the environment and fueling the next generation. Despite their intelligence, octopuses face growing threats from human activity, including commercial fishing, pollution, and climate change. Yet, these same creatures offer scientific inspiration. Their decentralized nervous systems, unique camouflage, and biochemical properties are studied for innovations in robotics, materials, science, and medicine. Their future is tied to the ocean's health, reminding us that the sea and its intelligence deserve our respect. Thanks for joining us on Mighty Spriggles. From tiny hatchlings to clever adults, octopuses shape the ocean's balance. They're vital to ecosystems and astonishing allies and challenges for humans. Please like, share, and subscribe to Mighty Spriggles.